Okay, so we're going to create another card here, this time using our round gel press. So what colours am I going to be using today? I'm going to be using the green apple colour box. I've picked a number of different colours on our brushes as well, ranging from the purples, greens and yellows, but do you know what? Any colour goes with brushes. They are fabulous. Experiment with them, enjoy them. You can get all sorts of different fabulous effects on the gel press using the colour box and the brushes. So this is just one example that I'm going to show you now. So using the brayer, transferring that colour onto your gel press. This is a great base colour and it reacts beautifully with the brushes. That's why I use the colour box. Okay. Taking our fan brush, I'm going to pick up some of the yellow, take a little bit off, and then just spray that around the gel press, like so. Green. Now you only need 2 or 3 colours to get a really nice effect with the gel press, so don't overdo it because it can go a little bit brown, murky. Try and keep the colours separate by not using too many. Okay, pop that down, smooth that over, and let's see what we've got. There we go. And look how vivid that is actually, and that's just because I've not used that much brusho. I've added quite a lot of water to these, so it gives you a vibrancy, but like a pastel vibrancy. It's not too dark, so that's quite nice. I like that. Okay, so as you know, it's a water-based ink, so it will dry very quickly. I haven't got my dryer at hand, so I'm just going to turn that over just to take any excess off. So let's use Celeste for this one. This is one of our latest fairies. And this time I'm going to ink up in the twilight. I think black might be a little bit harsh with that, with it being so light. Then twilight is like a navy blue. It's a beautiful colour. Okay, so we're going to bob her down in the middle there. Give that a good press, let it rest. Make sure that you press everywhere so you don't leave anything out. And there we go. Now that really does stand out. VersaFine is absolutely fabulous, I must say. It gives you so much detail. You know, we've taken the time to put the detail into the stamps. So for us, VersaFine, you know, it just brings that detail out. And that's why I love working with it. And because it's an oil-based ink as well, it means we can paint over the top of it and it won't budge. So that's an added bonus. Okay, so what are we going to put around that? Let's do some berries maybe. Okay, I haven't planned this, so let's hope it goes right. So inking up some of our berries here, I'm going to stamp those. I'm going to try and follow the circle around the edge. I don't need to go all the way around. There we go. And now I'm going to take the slightly smaller one. And this time I'm going to stamp off. You see how it creates depth? Again, just by stamping off, it gives us two different dimensions. Okay, now we've got our little berry stamp here as well. So I'm going to pop that down. And then this time I'm going to use the twilight. And I'm going to just pop a few of the bigger berries around. This is a great stamp. I like this. So you're all the time, you're just building up layers. And we'll use another little berry stamp here. This time I'm going to go with a purple. This is Monarch. Again, I've stamped it off first because it's quite a strong colour, this. Okay. Now we're going to move on to some words. And we shall ink up in the same colour. Let's do Monarch again. So ink up, we're going to stamp off. Just want something faintly in the background there. That's great. And then we're just going to colour in those little berries there. What shall we use to colour those in? We need a fine brush. Now let's have a look at the brushes, what colour's going to work. Maybe That's quite a nice colour. It's quite a deep colour. And then let's do a moon. And let's grab a monarch again. Take a lot of that off because, again, it's such a pale colour. I don't want to make it too harsh. Just a subtle moon around her. There we go, that works. And then now the edge of the card, we've used a lot of green in there, a lot of purples, so do you know what, I might bring in, which one? This one or this one? That one. Let's try it. It's a bit harsh. That's the one. So this is Shady Lane. It's a bit more of a sort of olive green as opposed to a forest green. And just with a swirling motion, we're going to go around the edge of the card. And you can see that how that green complements what's the green that's in here. It's more of a yellow green. Okay, that works. Purple and green, those colours are absolutely fabulous together, I must admit. So we're going to do a little bit of glitter now. I think I'm going to just bob a little bit of glitter amongst all this foliage down here. Okay, colour wise, let's go with the blue and purple this time. So I'm just going to sprinkle that around the edge. That's great. And there we have it. As I say, you can see how this can be built up so quick and easy, just using those little stamps, using our first of all our berry base stamp, but then just building it up. And you can almost imagine you could do a really nice wreath with that actually, so you can see on that camera too. Nice, quick, easy card. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.